Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Manish and Muhammad Ramai. I am from Wan Chirula. Today I will talking about my favorite restaurant. My favorite restaurant is Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus. Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus is my favorite restaurant because of its delicious and spicy meal. Their signature dish Ayam Gepuk is perfectly fried chicken served with sambal that can be adjusted to your preferred spicy level. The meal is complemented by warm rice, crispy fried tofu, and fresh cucumber, getting a balanced and satisfying combination. The restaurant also has a cozy atmosphere, with service that makes dining there enjoyable and convenient. Whether eating alone or with friends, I always leave feeling full and happy. In conclusion, Ayam Gepuk Pak Gembus is my top choice for its flavorful food, great service. It is a taste I would recommend to anyone who loves spicy and authentic Indonesian cuisine.